Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Nicole here. Today I have a somewhat unconventional video for this channel. I have an unboxing for you guys. I've definitely done unboxings before, but they've always been for like handbags and, you know, SLGs and stuff like that. I'll go ahead and link maybe one of my more popular ones for anybody who is interested in checking that out. But today I have something a little bit different. I have a shoe unboxing for you guys. I just purchased my first pair of designer shoes. These are the Stuart Weitzman Nudistsongs, and I got them in the color cream. The reason I got them in the color cream is because, and I don't think that I've actually officially announced this on my channel yet, but I am getting married. And so I thought that this would be a good opportunity to, you know, ball out a little bit and buy myself a pair of designer shoes to wear along with my wedding dress. So I've got the box right here. I'm so excited to just open this up with you guys and show you the shoes. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name is Nicole. I do a lot of fashion and lifestyle content here on this channel. So if you guys like what you've seen so far, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Okay, you guys, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so again, like I said, here is the box. I placed my order, I want to say on like March 12th, and it got here in 7 business days, which I think is like 11 or so days in general. It got here around like the 23rd. Not too bad, not like the fastest shipping ever, but definitely manageable. I'll go ahead and I think, let's see, I might need to like back up to show you guys the box. So whatever, I already opened it up as you can see, so I didn't have to do all of that on camera. Not super interesting. When you open it up, you see the signature Stuart Weitzman blue. And so then when you open that up, you get your dust bag. This is purchasing directly from the Stuart Weitzman website. So I don't know if you were to get this on Nordstrom.com or something like that, if this would arrive the same way. But anyway, dust bag again in that beautiful blue color. And then my receipt. How much did I pay for this? These Stuart Weitzman Nudistsongs I got in a size 4.5 for reference. And of course, it's not gonna say how much I paid for them on here. So anyway, that is my receipt. And then the most important star of the show underneath that receipt is my Stuart Weitzman shoebox. So just talking like wedding for 2 seconds here. And by the way, if you guys want to see more wedding stuff, I've definitely collected like vlog footage, and you know, Arthur had the engagement like filmed by a close friend of ours. So I definitely have footage to share around our engagement, our wedding planning and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see more content like that, I'd absolutely be happy to upload more of that for you guys. So give this video a thumbs up if you are interested in that. But anyway, I definitely wanted to do a sort of cream or white colored shoe, just some sort of neutral color like that, because that's sort of the color scheme for the wedding itself. And I actually was having a really hard time finding shoes smaller than a size 5. And so for all of my sort of smaller foot girls out there, Stuart Weitzman is a great resource for that. So I'm really excited to have found this shoe in this size. It's exactly what I was looking for. So, okay, let's just open the box. We have our Nudistsongs, as you can see. Okay, so let me get these out of their like wrappings. So here it is, the Nudistsong by Stuart Weitzman in the color cream. Oh my gosh, this is just a beautiful, classic shoe, which is exactly what I wanted for the wedding. I definitely wanted to get something with a ankle strap. This is so important in terms of longevity of wear for the shoe, at least for me. It makes it so much easier for me to walk in high heels for an extended period of time when I have this additional support at the ankle. It's got a really simple, thin strap here at the front, and it's got this interesting keyhole here in the back, which I honestly didn't even notice when I purchased the shoe. But anyway, as you can see, it's in this beautiful sort of off-white, again, they call it cream color, and mine is in a size 4.5. What is the heel height here? Okay, hold on. I wanna say It's a 4-inch heel. This is a, yep, this is a 4-inch heel. They do have options for the Nudistsong. I think you can get it in maybe like a 3 to 3.5 inch, a 4-inch, which is what I have. And I think they even had like a 4.5 inch, which is wild. But as I've mentioned before, I am a high heels girl. So 4 inches is just perfect for me. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. So here they both are together. They are in this, leather material. They aren't patent, so they aren't shiny, which is again exactly what I wanted. I wanted something really classic, simple, that I could potentially wear after the wedding. You know, considering how much I paid for these, I definitely want to make sure that I am getting use out of these after the wedding. Let me go ahead and just try these on really quickly for you guys. So here are those Nudistsongs on. How freaking gorgeous are these shoes? I am literally obsessed with these. They are so dainty, so lightweight, very, very comfortable. That ankle strap is like everything. And I've taken a couple rounds around my apartment wearing these. I will say that if you are not a heel wearer, these might be a little bit harder for you because the heel itself is so thin, but you know, if you like a good high heel, this is definitely for you. So hopefully all of the foot fetish people did not make it to that part of the video because ew, this is not that kind of channel. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys love these shoes just as much as I do. If you are thinking about purchasing this shoe, I would highly, highly recommend it. I guess maybe after the wedding, I could give you guys like a wear and tear update on these and how they actually like last for the full day of the wedding. But I mean, for what I paid for them, they better not like break on me or something like that. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos almost every single week. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.